back, guys, to another unboxing. I'm gonna unbox this plastic wrap with our Jeep knife. Okay, and inside this plastic bag is the front knife, and it says here A145B, the model number, I presume. And here is the knife. Inside the box, we got the knife, OTF, this waffle surface. It's kind of waffle, not a dial surface. Okay, you have a hook at the bottom of the knife, and here's the switch. Yep, there you go. The knife is quite sturdy, I guess, but then yeah, it's quite handy as compared to this Jeep knife. Jeep knife is bigger than the OTF, so the OTF is a very cute knife. As we can see now, it's quite small, very small. And then yeah, it's quite light. I don't have the measure for the weight, but then we can measure the size of this knife. So the size, how long the body of the knife, only the body is about 75.7 millimeter, and then the size of the knife, the what do you call that, the length of the knife, the blade is about 45.8 millimeter. Okay, yep, and about that length. And then the width is 9.7 millimeter. Okay, next we measure the, what do you call it, the thickness of it is about 16.9. So the surface is like a waffle, and this hook is spring-loaded. Now you see the knife, very fidgety knife. Yeah, it's quite sharp. Okay, so let's test the sharpness of the knife, of the blade. Quite sharp indeed. So it's a very interesting toy to play with. So yep, keep playing with this like this. Yeah, you can see how it come out from the front. Yep, so this is a very cool EDC carry, everyday carry. You can put it in your bag, conceal and carry. Now the end. Haha.